Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south from Dump towards Bryce. Entering Bryce. The road on the right takes you to Camp Gate, and if you are in search of Gory Cave, that is the road you will take. On the right, just above, we are passing Bryce United Church and Cemetery, and also Bryce Primary School. We are entering Succeed. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.